The World Athletics Male Athlete of the Year is Eliud Kipchoge.
Kipchoge arahotire uregani wa Joshua Cheptegei wa Uganda, Noah Lyles wa USA, Carlsen wa Holm wa Norway na Sam Kendricks wa USA.
Shoulder 140, the unofficial.
Uhotani wa Kipchoge urarumia ritwa riake mabuku-ini ma ateng'eri njorua thiini wa thi. Kuna nowe wahotanire ngoga-ino mwaka wa 2018. Hindi iyo agicangarira mahenya-ini ma marathon ma micii ya Berlin na London. Ona gutuika ndarari mucii wa Monaco hindi ya kwamukira ngoga, Kipchoge ni aracokirie ngatho na aritikira ngoga ino ari bururi wa Kenya agitumira mutambo wa kwaraniria na video ya thimu.
It's great to see you. They said it could not be done, but you proved them wrong.
First is that I am happy to be the first human being to run under 2 hours. That's to break the barrier. And above all, that I think it was a big inspiration to the whole world, to the actually present athletes, the next athletes, which I think in the near future, all the athletes and most of them will run under 2 hours. And I trust that in one of the biggest big city marathons, running under 2 hours is possible.
Mukenya Bridget Kosgei yarahitirie ngoga ino mwana wa atumia hanini na irahotwo ni Mu-America Dalaila Muhammad. Kosgei arahotanire ihenya ria Chicago Marathon na arandikithia rekondi njeru mahenya-ini maya. Muhammad ahotanire ihenya ria mita 400 na kurugangirwo mucii-ini wa Doha, Qatar, mathako-ini ma mahenya ma thi yothe.
Mohammed on the line, and it's a new.
And the winner of World Athletic Coaching Achievement Award for 2019 is my former coach, mentor, brother, Colm O'Connell.
Nake coach wa njorua ya mahenya ma mita 400 David Rudisha ni aratugirwo ta coach mwega makiria. Colm O'Connell ni muciaro wa Ireland na uria ikaraga Kenya. Aratugirwo ni wira munene rutite gutethia athaki aingi. Akenya nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria no marathi na mbere gukungũira Kipchoge. Oriri njamba ino ituikite gitugi gia kuhe andũ anini mwĩhoko ni ũhotani wake iharo-inĩ itiganĩte.
To school every day and back. He used to go to the nearest town on his bike.
Mwaka ukite mahenya ma Olympics makahandĩrĩrio bũrũri-inĩ wa Japan, maitho mothe marorete Kipchoge na mwĩhoko ni agatetera thahabu iria ahotani mũico wa Rio, Brazil mwaka wa 2016 na rĩngĩ andĩkithie rekondi njerũ. Ngiribuatĩra Inooro TV, njĩtagwo John Kata Wanjohi.